Jumidal Ventures. Emre Dudu Nani Tanaka Mukwantin, Ting Akotonio Mabiguya shop, so being yanning now Fako, and no so yasel for fro. Oh, so to Fako Sikas, one in Impatemo, and Nasa Achimota La Paz, Kosin Sawam. Jimmy Dale is your one stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, Inyani, and Nasa Adibia Wopebia. So, Koton and your baby also to Jimmy Dale. You can look at Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto, or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. That beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Check it. Check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Reselect glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis, and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay we, now pay dien. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video. Beautiful moment, beautiful time, beautiful day. This is Entertainment Showbiz Daily on your #1 entertaining YouTube channel, Samiflex TV, and of course, as you see at the end of the Dasso and then they call Kintom TV. Kumasi Asasi is no and the Dasso out to say Bibia Befibia Kintom, because Showbiz Daily will bring you juicy stories. Stories that are enough for you to feel like yes, entertainment industry no, it be more tiasi. Ewa hasi. Bidi and MC Berima, and in the shots with me, I have the finest. You see the Yenguru Rasta here. You see the Jehua. Yeah, in Afro. From the comes of Event Guard, Roland Ni Amate Few. And I'm in funny.
I'm in for feeling. Amate.
Now, few. You can't feel now. What does that mean?
What the count why you be for the
okay, it's a senior man, senior Amate, and Evan Sabuan if you okay. So Roland Ni Amate is the name from the Event Guard, or Sasu your blogger, Papa. And in the middle side, your boss 6 and 8, the man of the moment. Or no, and as you see at the channel, a son. If you have a Fabian, Wajini Dino will be Nana Reagan. He is the Beef Nation president. Nana, Bibia Bokodi. Bibia Shea.
Yeah. Bibia come.
Bibia come.
Gamro phone to say. Number 4 here. Almost somebody say it will be a bomb too.
Say to say, and to my far left the stream, one of them, Chemo, and Tim Solomon, or your YouTuber, or your YouTube consultant, YouTube manager, and BB Chiwaj for YouTube and as internet be social media handle, or they just mono. And I said, Bibia Bidi amount. Nana, Bibia Bokode, Bibia Shea,
Bibia Shea,
Befa and Alpha.
Oh, wow, Befa.
And you never know, last time, previously, you now can say, heat and you want now still I will show you never fun.
Oh, you one may order the same money chance on your remix now on friend of Befa. And yes, another heat, none of it, and I endeavor for me association there in Nako. And they are very important because I normally the Befa and hashtag Befa. Okay, I say I know I am ebe fa ye de o ye ma
mo agora se chemo o ma fa de no bu
ebe fa engine
o mo e mo mu
ya man chance onye remix
na yes aso dia you have to face me
oh any dey ebe fa engine o ye de sa dey ne be kokot na obi ya no ade kunti anyum ne title enye ebe fa yeah
okay
Berima
nana
mubusa me gamra se me nti mama me mesere na mama me fa wi ntwem kaka won se ntokwa na ye sha ase no enye ntokwa se ne obi ku ntokwa ne obi ani ase but oman ni ye yo ne industry ni ye yo ho sensem nti bebe so ya na ye kasa sa enya ye ka credit a na ye de energy no kasa
yes
nti em se dede na ye o Facebook na Alliance for Change for almost so Oma follow the air course like the worries and nyama air pointed out with Gamro ni issues are raising at it. Almost so much me a motivatium. I'm on my show, Mosapo moon, so I'm on my ye. I'm the nyama be out to a moon temp. I'm more say almost let's say ABR Attorney General. A bit me a grant my license be officially now for there. Almost so much me about another collective management organization our Ghana ha internet and na almost send me on website bi a omo dey register members and nkrofo a omo wo ho akonya say omo betimi etimi a register bi aba members na me bibi e menika kakra wo yes bibi e menika kakra for omo we nti na me pese me kan wa ase na omo say Ghana Music Alliance we the rubona website ni gh musicalliance.org. And almost say the registration is open to this following people: recording artists, songwriter, composer, arranger, producer, instrumentalist, sound and audio engineer, singer, vocalist, music executive, Dex jogger, DJ for na so musu no mo say bloggers for ajomujuma na nyama na I think said akonya we about ultimate register almost so mujumedi no and also betimi akoyi kakra wa and spoken word artists say Ghana one of the people are yes take you for yes for we spoken word artists music publishers video directors the currency money editors mosan colorists one say currency no no ye color or color or ye bibia but e be obi so yes say man nko ha and cinematographer, entertainment journalists and bloggers. I can't be who you know because my movie say oh actually yes you need na bit me register man that be no kakan bit me aso obi aso event organizers say Roland say to me senate kra senate number is Friends of the Alliance and just say we no
master of ceremonies
MC for no some MC for no dem I just obi why na obi nyani wewu no pakoje mai
yes
we dey run and move na the thing say the crowd na say they see our website is open. Our file phone and also file auto machine now called ghmusicalliance.org. You can also join and become a member. Which is very very good. We join and I am member. Now that actually no you to ni na ultimate register on your register. I think say digital platform so royalties so ceremony direct business nyama bi be koso a ebetimi aboa da actually enko say Gamro dey a mako ho ntokoya sense me hu nsusu insisa e bia ben yeah maybe they say my dedicate the rest of my life for Gamro until I see the change I want to change the rest of my life say maybe 100 years was actually every day yes every day is for Gamro.
Okay, that's it. That is just by the way. The name officially remains MC Berima. Now Yabuwa for Atembi boy, Richie the Finest Boy, Flex being our director, and our face to do changing cameras and maybe SCD, Etoye, and currency the guitar rasta. overall producer Nana Yaw Ofori Lapiji and face makeup artist the beautiful lady now it's here or not a Tina baby the sexy Don Gideon Neil Amteson Omina Kambina Yadi Jumedim Ebremo Yemfa as in Chiakasia so ma Sammy Flex baby will be an Yanko Show now on making sure say Bibia Ekudi Jojo Emma. Now you brought back to business. Chamo, my name say a kind of Oriata issue what? They know what to say.
Oh, is there on the one politicians? Then be our more try say or more obey or more be or more responsibility no or more be chani kakra by King Ovoriata in particular no. I think say politics na kata or shade nim so yi. Because yeah, some now kind yeah some typical politicians.
Yeah, also to me be na
no cry yanka. Because all kinds of baby bass. And yet, on the kind of by him say, Mr. John, our bonny pedu. I be friend John Bedu. Or the video be circulated. Or say, MP before Bapawa. Or Mema Juma Bakumu Ama. Where is the a finance minister and so. About because a Jumano Quanes.
I'm lucky.
In the Makano, Mamma Pedumania, on a conflict. So, when John Bodu Casa and Quebec and Patch or Manco Casa, but that's the reality. And so, Kenoverata Case, Abia government in the Mimo Medumana, Mamma Camumpe Dumania, and so I never right for him to say that as a government institution and as a agency. I think they have to come up with the best solution to help, not just to say Mama can unpaid money. In fact, if we or more let me create employment and I'm year Juma a man is sustainable and new 20% of the population. Oko country be as well. Or more my year Juma more employed a year majority few. A year few and yes I almost also come use majority to cram man can a year few people in the society and in fact research say America say about 10 people 10 people almost work it's more than 50% of the population
about 10 people
about 10 almost Bill Gates any Jeff Bezos any Elon Musk Zuckerberg musica boom almost first time almost can change half of the whole US population now the other a gun near research be about said that never offer you. One offer despite Efa Kwakuti Adonko, Efa Kennedy Japan, Efa a year a new police upon crowd and Memphis Ibrahim Mahama, any Sam Jonas. Oh, the almost to Buma, 1 hour more cry a
freedom cheddar.
One hour more cry and make my almost the from but my point is, I had the 1 hour in that temple, 1 hour 5 for pay, or music and obey, yes, sir, 90% of the population. Equality gap, move what in the new baby and car. Somebody like finance minister, as a with me, Becca say, employment in the government into me, and a mamma Modia. Okasa now, person Case, each man for himself, God for us all. As a Okra leader, no, what give you up? But Omono say, and no money be creative job in the crana. As a Omo encourage a man for a more creative jobs. Omo ye be, give you incentive be. My will be created job by the way or can on it there. It's like yeah they are pim into me more into mamma Monquay bit me did say and try ye a political talk and it's all kind of street because I did back when I say when he says or my weird enough frustration Bema now young guy be a new direct path I'll beat me up so I rise here the next thing they violence. Yeah. Say or part to be on a say or faswa or bit me arise ebia okay and then hear me but minim say me go school na me wia me nya adwumai and I say minim say me kwa ha na me yiwi ya me so bedru me so a onyanya hope say e bedru ni so a onya violent or betwen say ne mrebe so but say open ma bibi say wa kopa adwumai na ono azu onim ne honim ne firimu say on to mean create adwuma be odimi nya hwea the next year be violent.
Obi say me that's what I'm young on Reagan. Or say 60% of tax tax paying money no. And you need to government workers in Tiama. What you say? I want to know about. If they say what no we school, see and as we maybe we school see or Okusunya Chinese old school Okusunya sociology they say na they are not finding this here.
We are charged for. I think with this particular story, no me share the DHA.
Okay.
I've seen just screenshots of they said the director the two TV. So yeah, that is what I've seen. And I won't say much, but because I mean read the details of everything. As I mentioned, then DHA said me THMU in church when I said they all can say they be on the way DHA Canada. Then I will agree with him because as Obiayu as a political leader, when I finance minister, you don't talk publicly like that. Okay. So if that is what it is, then they should. It also sends a certain message to us, the citizens. May I not be no citizens? My concern is with them. You see, these people, they are doing business. They are not. You see the word serving, or they just say it. They are doing business. As they said, they all sorry and opana wakoto equipment so person found YouTube channel. Now sorry they be our near brena we if somebody tamper with your property and I say anything you own copyright to we need break. You understand? You found ways and means to get so these leaders is about time we see them as business people. You understand? So they do everything they will do anything to convince you to get them into power. Okay. And then when they get into power, they will do everything to make gains out of investment or my they may make and say it's unfortunate say they will look straight into the eyes of the people and then say some of these things to them. Say, Anka one I was say ultimate pay a juma na say ultimate ye economy na so money ye ma o kasi government payroll I am man. Omutimi ha wana so muso mutimi nya akonye bi de ye adwuma ne bi sesi asa so monko pe adwuma anye aha mo ho adwuma no kra on the grounds no kra it is not even easy to start an entrepreneur job and I say any skill job it is not easy. So what are the basic measures mo dey ato akonye ma be ma timamuni no we school e bia na ma me aton into ma dey ahwe na wie dey na ko school na o wie na ne ma me need aso na so me ba ni wie school a obetimi aba benya baby ahye na ono so etimi into ma ya maton ko etimi ato bia na me fra wo me mere wa bre mu no then na ono so need aso be na sa ni pa no mo dey ma sa ni pa. So it is not for them to come and tell us say ayema no obi nkonko page ma. It is for them to use whatever knowledge they have to create job for omu nibi no to get some. All right. As simple as that.
Thank you very much, Roland. We my own kasa because of your time. You move on straight to business. You say anwa abo anoma. Sa wochena e wonu sunku. E na so ujane nso a e wonu sunku. In the sense your campaign you dim say kasa. Now after the campaign you win and as you get what you want now. That once you know how to talk. It is up to you. Your submission, your opinions, you could drop it on the comment section and as numbers no strengths. Make sure say over sending messages if I hold now you're back in Canina and I responded to it beautifully. Alright, so we move on to business. Justice Amwa, aka Patapizi, aka Patapa, aka One Corner hit maker. This guy, this man, this young champ is still on Sarkodie's neck, still on Sarkodie's throat. Wakasa atmuse abrante ni buafu na some abusive words bia oyusu ye ewo xylophone some time ago with Sammy Flex showbiz agenda no you feel say okay anyone can hear ni ade this guy is still out there send okasa no eni enyan kakra na no nso nkoda nchen a Charles Nyama Mensa aka One Don Shatawale and nanse mu ye bete ne say so BPS 18th of November October Yebenya gunshot be a free baby ultimo say ebekwama one of the dancehall artists na the din started free Charles the din started Charles no bia e dey adwene ko to say ne One Don Shatawale because on na Charles e wo ye system ni mu na e ho asem e wo ho no afa izu no yakohu threaten amene me no ka say funny face chemu bebre na enim se chani chemu ye friend no omo ene ochre aban kukum kakra na so wo aban custody mu na eno ho asem so wo ho no ma ye beka na first three topics in here na first ye be start if patapis so na ye wo video bi wo ho no ma ye bebo na ye bo ha patapa or they sakode ne wife e kan ho no was it the right way to do it? Is it the right thing to do? And now still is it for hype? Yenhwe video ye try ho ba ye be bisa questions we nyina wa.
You can make your point.
Yes.
Perfect. But do not bring Tracy in this issue.
Who is Tracy?
Because she is not part of this.
Who is Tracy? What are you saying?
Tracy is Sarkodie's wife.
It is Sarkodie kwa nunu e wana.
Na me na only Sarkodie no studio.
Ayen Sarkodie on ne da.
No ni da na te so ni
Sarkodie why are be.
Of course.
It is a why for now. Unim say why are for me ya for na.
Why you be?
It's no why for ni nyansa no.
Na say wan bo wa.
No, listen to me. No why for ni nyansa no. Me kwa ya ndwomba na ma bo Sarkodie ni di ma ye ya. I say, "Hey, what are you doing?" My wife even will say, "Hey, Pizzy, why are you mentioning this guy name?"
And I person me.
No.
For all you know, yes say. For all you know, ebi ana Tracy nyom no kra wentie kra.
I'm not insulting that girl. Ona po minim no, ona nigga po minim no. But I'm insulting Sarkodie.
But you're hurting his wife. I want you to apologize to his wife.
That wife. No wife I am one nduma na no wife obonom.
But say we born din say na yere say
no wife we din na obo minim no wife ni di. Una obo ni din Tracy. Mr. Sarkodie kwa ya no wife ante ana.
And I'm person me say o kan.
No, me nim po bi chaw. Na me pa na chaw. No wife.
Tracy chaw.
Tracy no wan ma wo ni wa ha na. Una obo ni di me nim no. Me nim Sarkodie po ne wife. Me can me phone e kita me kan dey am gian Sarkodie say yan na adum na ko no wu a ka perform ni ya sa me nim no wife ni di. No wife ben. Na kan wife mpo wife or wife and wife no nim yan sa ko baka che no kun ni say ndumi a ko ye yi enye sa wo ye sa because what I'm saying is we meet our MSC. Listen to me. Artist ni ko she mo MSC. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
And Sarkodie share me oba na me share because me say o ye senior. On an angel. And an squad. See, I send you be a finamo. And I'm me na man just say, "Oh, boss, no bano." Na me solid. Na me question, "Hey, my wife like you. He really like you all the time. He mention your name."
It's a way she and your crowd.
Me want that. Me name no wife.
Okay, now you really knew her at that moment. Okay.
Who name no wife?
Me wife they say.
Me name Sarkodie and wife.
Me them me.
Sarkodie. On a hammer for bet my wallet.
My catch you say.
Then don't bring this issue because me, my wife will never advise me to insult Sarkodie or Shatawale or any artist. No, it's very bad.
But don't bring the wife.
Bobo, my mother born me. Oh,
I know that.
Your mother pregnant me 9 months. Oh,
Bobo, I know.
Your mother born you 9 months. Oh,
I know.
Sarkodie, Shatawale, or 12 months. Oh,
mother has not.
Or you overage. Oh, Shatawale, or you overage.
We are having.
No, I mean, I'm about say Shatawale, we're going to die 12 months. I'm telling you.
So mo dey course patapa go fi ding o san say Sarkodie a wo ka say nyanya me aduma in a line enwum bi a wo ye e no dey say nyanya me aduma anka owu a patapa na nke be perform wo ni yase. This is the line you see here. Patapa din your boy enunti na patapa ni wefu fit till now. Roland eni nya kakra asem no wim kakra
officially my main chair for na Summer Flex TV in Tom TV na asem we dey me o dey say ni asem we dey asem titi say obi ben patapa ontunu for fi say ewiase na e wo no ewom say sun baisha and especially in this industry me sometimes I find it difficult to hold pain than to hold happiness or to hold anger. And it's a who so be ye king to say a name because what Patapa is doing wrong. When you say it will go a long way to bite him himself.
Okay.
At the end. They are all now. Okay, now we all do not condone what Sarkodie or what whoever said to him. But I think say it has become too many. Now, Patapa, what exactly is he looking for? Sarkodie's apology. For what? For what? You see, some of the unseriousness on the part of some of these people they call themselves celebrity in our system. Some of more seriousness in the video. When something happens and people call your attention to it, especially the media, the media serve as a watchdog between the public and these personalities. When something happens and we draw your attention to it, and you don't react. You see, sometimes when something happens and the media draws these people attention, they say media ni boom na instigating to propagating to. You see, when this thing happened and the media called you patapa to what I say, this is what your man has said, come and respond. You came throwing your hand in despair. Oh, today, why are you shouting?
Some no idea one that who said nonsense na say somebody according to him I catch them.
And he made the patapa ho ya papa. Made the ho ya papa. And to the extent say for you to even go extreme of adding the wife say or throw the wife into the come on. It's patapa so say so throw or before be releasing my the wife and son will be releasing him.
Say I will say on in that story.
Berima. It is same and the wife no wa breach on so ha na or send for on send man email.
Say be more dream bo mo dia also definitely external.
Any patapa the way portray my so talented then he has lost star right. Then he has totally lost it. Because me sa na rant we I don't see any me huni na to me very useless.
Okay, in a way no ono person say e mpanyifo no Shatter Obonidin Charles Nyama Mensa and Afisa Kode and Ako Kanka Sansem way Amarado Mozo
for how long is he going to continue like this? Are you going to dedicate your whole life just like Nanariga dedicating your whole life Yama Gambro? Are you going to dedicate the next of your career to Sarkodie and Shatawale insulting them left, right, center?
That Obejai, when the presenters and our hosts and when they stop asking such questions.
No, you see, that is then in that sense, you the artist, it's not smart. Unye focus. In fact, unye bogus.
No, say
no, very much. If I am here to sell this phone, na makoto phone no be about to action. Na me back. Now baby so na phone now or koto no be bought to then the whole conversation for the next 30 to 45 minutes conversation ever having becomes cell phone no be bought to and I do not achieve marketing this phone or selling this phone and then me so far so on the platform so assume yes we know that some presenters can be very provoking or can be very tricky when it comes to asking you questions but it is up to one intelligence to beat it, which is why some artists who will be sending me who in pass on anyway will be who will be sending me Panobeka say and I mean you know me feature away because no nenyum or nenyum no be promote one muscle or be answer between or no you be talk out or bazo inti patapano going on these media platforms ni focus anything again ben on they call ebi akọ so ko promote you and you see for him to go on media platforms for the past 4 platforms our coach nyina akoye insulting Sarkodie here insulting Shatawale there insulting this person here insulting this person there. Now what are you looking for again? When the kind any do want them one when the kind aside this song amomutu sisi omunya odin. Now if me I were to be Sarkodie now for what you've done, even if I apologize, I will never do it. Mean that because 2 wrongs do not make right. It's man say fair enough, may do attempt. Now also have a dim attempt. Now what apology do I owe you again? Me my friend baby other cry for what he is doing. He will never achieve whatever he's looking for. I think there are more intelligent ways of doing this thing. In fact, when he even started, some people even sympathize with him, especially we that we call him to order when these things started coming. Okay, people sympathize with him, but Oya Manatra. So as you mean, say Sarkodie comes to apologize, or Shatawale comes to even Shatawale has apologized.
Said assumptions now can see Sarkodie hasn't done it.
Maybe it is here when Sarkodie ever catch you so patapa me sorry.
That's it.
Is that going to see it is not a friend say assured say Obi in the near future will not insult you. It is an assurance. any assurance says Sakode because you patapa, me a sorry in the near future, nobody is going to insult you. It is not guaranteed.
That one day we have to leave it to him and in his future.
It is a Sakode departure, no be insult you in the future. Are you going to go on this time?
That's what he wants.
Oh, then Patapa in his career has lost focus now. So over focus be in the beginning of his career, maybe the way they will lose focus now. Because if you go on a media rant, and you are there, if not to promote your song, but to attack personalities, me Senko one platform no jay at least we would understand with him. Say Ebiane before the buy at a moment. Inti Patapa say for years, Adewe Gusu Shenimua, and it has become an album to him.
He is human.
We are not saying he is not human.
Yes.
Okay, we are not saying he is not. But then maybe a wakukura same way dia kwesino. Or ya ma onwan kasa no mpono. Ne why because when the thing started and you were called to address, you said it wasn't an issue. So now that you are making a whole fracas out of it, what should the public do? What should Sarkodie do? Because only Panabo when you now I can say oh no meetings. Then tomorrow you come and tell him say what do you expect the person to do? No one can say no meetings. Patapa should give us a break, Massa.
All right, you move on to Nana Reagan, the Beef Nation president. On the better way na sing in a year because of where he's coming from. Now, Patapa's rant, the up and down, even involving Tracy's success. Is it necessary?
Charlie, it is not necessary. The whole thing is this. Right now, may I see Patapa say or demand the respect. And we don't demand, you can't demand respect from anybody.
That's very true.
You need to earn it.
Yeah.
So if Sarkodie has offended you and you think Sarkodie have disrespected you, you need to come up with a way and necessary respecting from and not demand respect from Sarkodie like the way you are throwing your shoulders all over and behaving on public TV. It is so wrong. And now the new bria out to say now sorry or can say or question what somebody's wife does or the sort of advice somebody's wife gives to the person when they sleep on their bed. So I indirectly don't you even know you Patapa don't you even know say you are insulting your wife? Don't you know you are disgracing your wife? So you are trying to tell me say into Sarkodie disrespected when I yana no yere kususu advice we now yere the man say branabe or public. Come and be throwing your shoulders and be insulting people's wives. Or come and be throwing your shoulders and be saying using this
abusive
words like unprintable words.
So you also on the wife.
I'm even talking about the words he's using for Sarkodie. They are so unprintable. Like you can, I can erase. I will be allowed to also act like the way he was acting on the TV. Like, say me my warrior, me hearing him nyansa. On can James say Patapa, say be doing some. When I remember Tanana, me can the same. I should tone the same line with him. You understand? So what he is doing is very, very unnecessary. Any positive achievement here, and I clearly know Oshana. You could see say he has been influenced by the life of a certain artist.
Yeah.
And now I just know. Let's say some artists, reacted to issues in tea. And also may a Patapa me people will start. Come ask them that thing some.
Concept part.
It could be anybody. You say yes, Shatawale.
No,
Shatawale can address issues and you.
Even if it is so cry a concept party, master.
You understand? Yeah. What I mean, my point is, say Shatawale, a continue, and one hour attitude now, it is so unwise to just sit back and think, say, because these people react to issues this way, let me also tone the same lane. Let me put up that attitude in reacting to issues or addressing issues. I may feel say I take offense to. Say, oh yes, sir, massa. If you ask now, Obia won the life, baby, the life is directed to. Yes, maybe you take offense to what Sarkodie said. Nobody is holding any grudge against you. Say Sarkodie can't seminar. Don't react to it, and I say, ABM and Yawayana. One I start with the account, but you see the way you are behaving, it is like trying to clean a mess and causing more mess. Say I say abana table so I fee pepe power was I go find to magua I fee cry chain at the chair ho na dey ba be twi table ne so. So what are you doing? Are you cleaning or you are causing damage? What he is doing is causing damage to himself, and you'll be he's not. He thinks when he says those things like you are doing it against your own self, and mentioning somebody's wife, you are also dragging your own wife into this mad. Wow. You should focus and let me tell Patapaa one thing. It is me. I don't know if it is. I think it's unfortunate. Say the whole Ghana. Me, I won't say me to say people. Me catch a run the whole Ghana. If anybody is doing any analysis on music and wants to compare the upside and the downside. He will be at the downside. Yes.
Okay.
Anybody, and yes, I call them even the streets, those who are not musicians, when they are having conversations and they want to do that such analysis or big person or can't send me in passive crowd when you move to a he will mention Patapaa. Yes. It's about time if me or no find a way to turn those lemons into lemonade for your own self.
Yes.
Make something out of it. Fortunately for you, you are in a creative space. Baby, I am finding your home. You can turn anything at all for your own good. And my name, yes, I in this answer, I dream possible. That's the only way I can, Master. Find a very proper way to make it. Okay, say lewe na nkofo di na tem say nenimi yehu no.
Okay.
And I so emotional about it. And I want pekwan bi so amfa ho anya. We are in this country. Do you know how many times people point fingers to Acrobatus nose? Do you know what Acrobatus has been able to achieve out of nose now for
who knows tomorrow?
That is maturity, like that is what a creative person. If you're intelligent, this is some of the things you need to be placed smart with some of these things. We were here when people were insulting Shatawale here and there. Now not bad. Look at what Shatawale sometimes does with you. Yes, you will laugh. Do you know how many times a lot of people like even this boy soon.
Yes.
Papa ya na say I'm say we crown na yefu kakaka ono so timi di na yefu ne sa ankofo asere na in the creative space these things you can't do anything about it. Okay, what if Sarkodie comes to apologize to you and then stops maybe using your name for in his songs for such things again to happen? What about the public? How many people can you walk into their house and slap them for saying say oh me the person me baba to say Patapaa? Me person me baba boy nyom to say Patapaa. Me person me baba nyom to say Abia Kelly Michael Jackson and I say Sarkodie and I say Shatawale and I say Stonebwoy. Massa sa level ne parent ne standards no it will forever be there. You know Patapaa na baba say you can't change it.
Say akwese agrobi ho na woni obi di no some person agro na ese oja.
One of those.
Ese na sanity bi mote obi ho na person agro no. It is the best thing that you have to stop.
See, that's what I'm saying. Then you should walk out of the creative space. Because even if more spotlight in Jaya, what about the people who are going to consume your products? So is Patapaa telling me say or Chinebi not say ABI me find say a whole northern region or Ashanti region people are saying say Patapaa then sebi you manu susuna no ho nye fe kra ana obo enyum buga bonyansa nyoma. Then he will stand up and go on platform and insult the whole of Ashanti region people because they've Omakasema you think that is the smart thing or the wise thing to do as an adult? No.
Okay.
So he should just sit up. She should advise Patapaa. Or no claim it's on the warrior wedding. So I am appealing saying at this point I'll show video where the Patapaa on Patapaa and share them. Say doggy bakubia or we are mirror. Giant say no. Why kakra? Why kakra? Yeah.
All right. On that note, also submission. You can just drop it on the comment section and as the numbers never screens on. Just drop your comments. Where you can advise. Pemudia. Would you say spanga donga don banga donga don donga ding ding the wife advising some or yes side movie and the wife advising some anyway that is just by the way. Now Chamo Yansha side. Would you say emotionally has it has really affected him and now say he's just doing this thing for trends? He's just doing this thing for us to know that Patapaa is still around the corner because as it stands now, him say like Patapaa is just withdrawing.
Only hits.
Oh no! That is the hard truth. Yes, that is. Now when last now what say Patapaa is in the news and yes sir on the side for the assembly.
Oh no, na man na yes sir. But yeah, but me know yeah. You know, say all starting. Yeah, movie car say. What can be even at that time, na a movie no say so the far before Friday. Instead of the way or call even at that time. But you know, man, but I think say it be no so. I can say why on ye now almost so hard, you know, a cool trim. And you know, on the judgment, you know, I any say or some be ma or be no be a man as support. And as they say, I backfire because on one logical the bar say. Sako de yezo nimunyansa where the easy enka obe tuni ko se mo me posa anyu ntia but then se mo kan wo sa platform na so indino ni yire no de ka so me kan
there is a Patapaa
go and do this to them yire de ka so o me kan na ono an logical o use no indino he is losing it. Esa obi advice no and also no esa advice no. Okay. And yes sir, unim the danger back and I say edru a ono e bi kro nye na me tie political show adakabre from Poma. Yeah. Sa show ni so obi kan asem kra example adakabre from Poma so the man say we mu nyina na Patapaa moti TV so aid these are called the actor. Political show. Adaka break from poor manson, many so be a catcher, me na or the example. Or case we yarana, your no, yes, you will be the Patapaa or the TV so aid this are called the
and these are some of the things I'm making. Okay, so obede. Sakasa, yes, obede Patapaa.
Okay, sir, Adaka break of 5 years, I call the young. What time did you know who didn't know? And you respect Ben or the man after that. Because I say all disrespect will be here. And none of one and no quality. And I have video of me bonny Adaka brain a kind, you know. Some news of a quad Adaka could change him say, Sako de Eddie Kaya, Nuntia, Mintina, Medina, and your uncle Cancherano. Or a big mistake. Or a big mistake. Now I can say. I do not sako the year no be no where the end be end. In the time now oh yeah no and I make us say we could justify for the fact say now I emotional also yeah and I can be fine. Now so I bring to so there a reason I debate just tell how go see emotional. And then I won't compare anti-depressant and that's a depression. All right. Patapaa anything or Muntunifu. Sala now offer no. And say one she another sako de cry say okay. Me no be na nyumbi asako de be really dey over punching kakra or no Patapaa be Opa on sako de enye sagro no. Sako de enye nyumbi a em punching baako. Ono to ne ehwe so betimi aponchini bia.
And they say that did you say ah?
E dey fight on
kasa obeka na cry
fight mesre no fight we o ye dey won't me win. But en go betimi ayi bibia ma ya respect or no understanding no. Because or no ya offended. But is the why am na bro. And this an obeko there kakra no kra na ebi no moti asema no be lose obe lose e no kra ka ho. It no me advice say on you ni cry free one on your focus na baby on nam ne there.
Okay, all right. Patapaa, where they come out, Roland Canada, Reagan Canada, and our face which Muso Canada or Honum. Also, any advice be out of Patapaa, the Obetima drop or comment section. In fact, Patapaa, we have a main man. in fact we are the main man and kasa it you know I said BBC air too but in fact the idea udi agra when you be trying to say we who apology amasa apology because what the fact the channel you are not supposed to use that in go form of ben patapa no so mo so ne yire no kyerɛ sɛ o kyerɛ ni nyansa mo so mo kyerɛ patapa nyansa because baby or the funny there I say na adwen no I'm serious about this I was some okay na am come say
some hwe na adwen
okay so on that note na abranti and the funny face chemu I was woni me say a friend say no ene say na me kan earlier on no ne nsa I mean the whole body no e wo police for NSMCC in the sense say we who threaten words be and threaten words be something kind of say egu wiem ama in fact ankopie ni ye e be say oh still an adwum na still yen hwehwe na adwum say na Reagan ni kan ni ade oh ade say o kan adwum
me say me bu say hwehwe papa
that be court crowd is in Abantin e ba ko hwehwe say me kan say there is a video be na ohu sa threaten no it yen hwe sa video we na ewi a ye beto ankomodi ni so
what does me nyaga to me po to mucho me ku ya no ku mo Vanessa who gets the different what does me nyaga to me po to mucho me ku ya no ku mo Vanessa who gets the different what does me nyaga to me po to mucho me ku ya no ku mo Vanessa who gets the different what does me nyaga to me po to mucho me ku ya no ku mo Vanessa who gets the different what does me nyaga
so we and a threatening words are Abranti funny face or the man ne yire Vanessa say na pain o komisisi a o hia na anaso nya na de ohwe de be kɔ na obebo ne yiri ni tuo obi anu kunu ho we nota police for and so the about one thing but Richie and no so yan fanto ne nyina follow up ne yan bisa question the request funny face is in the custody of custody for allegedly threatening some individuals. The police have today Monday 18th of October 2021 at 10:14 p.m. arrested Benson Nanayao Udro Boaten, popularly known as Funny Face, for allegedly threatening certain individuals via social media platforms. Due to the history of the suspect, the police shall submit Benson Nanayao Udro Boaten to the court for an order for psychiatric examination to determine the next line of investigative action. The police is committed to protecting lives with the generous help of the public. We want to assure the public that we shall not take anything for granted in the interest of public safety. Public safety. Now, Yenshe Nana Reagan.
Yeah.
Idea or ye full video of what Funny Face was doing now. What him say? At him the or the baby from Bolare to Adebayo for the addiction. I'll be do threatening words here. Do has here. Do you think that still Funny Face is in trouble? Near medical attention and also near any attention from anywhere between me Funny Face now.
Funny Face in fact na say the hosem SIA asama asimi here pa was say omamum penifom wom no omanidi e say the police for atom say they afran omokoche na na so mo invite.
Oh, we have they arrested him.
So I think say I need this education maybe from the public or from the police service. Na me say bia obi threaten obi a nipa na ya threaten ba ko a case na e bia de chi bia SMBC na afa use a case no to invite you or arrest you and then the other charges will be placed.
In this case in the statement if you say following
investigative yes.
Only history.
Yes.
With police.
He has had reports based on that line before.
Okay, then I think it's clear.
Apart from that, Nankasano, also the public safety now. So police need him not to say or can say meet me still all right. So meet me about investigating to know what's going on. What's the mechanism?
Okay. So I think say any queen man on say police for the bit to sound in fact, so if they are doing it, I will encourage them to dive deeper into this issue and not like make it one of the cases. I say yes, starting out by medium. Oh yeah, inviting. Oh yeah, chino. Oh are there china? Oh are there china? Polo. I video on Instagram. what I say. And I say, if you are so nigga, I will can't. And I be an Shatawali prophecy be about Shatawali. So what I'm saying is the police should really make the omuma omonim kwa asem no mundi eche nkosi baby e wo say assembly kosi na results e wo say film ban ye nsaka. I think say me so far I like this particular IGP the police service in Juma Omoye. So the Omoye ntem wo nsembi ho motu anamombi wo nsembi ho ntem. And for this particular one I think that we should commend them say ometimi afa funny face. She no say charges so say court nobody neko say then me whatever the law says it has to be done. I want the law to take its full course on this case. And then over the mental health issue now. Me nipa also provide a drone the man. So no and also called you. And a drone sign one can you feel say okay. I think that I read somewhere saying that Chemo ka say I don't know sometimes for do baby and I say oh you okay wow feel say oh you okay so I won't know be. Into me nim say stage you no do here na ye say oh ehun hia say me no me do any be because say ankofo na omo hwe na me sere ha 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 no maka no na e mark no e bia kasa na e bro so uspi bia and but one of my markets are book no mu yo
too much laughing
until yes maybe you felt say everything is normal it's bia na mental issues there in any sometimes say yeah it's a cover. And unfortunately, I'm Sasa Pijanum. So I can relate this whole issues to mental issue.
Yeah.
I think say we need the right state of mind, and he needs that help urgently. Like maybe or someone in a call, and I'm happy say police for now statement. Almost state here said they want to offer such help now. Share the mental health more now. Dream more. Say okay, baby, then we can say. Emphatically say a seminar kind then our purpose be an original so mean to kind obetimi aye but if adweno ahomane ba kwate never say omo fa joining na omo yo tracing bia and no more so okay and ahomane ti yenti na bia ma why na pa jana je currency I was say to your boss na ehu baby I dey asem na beto so me those who believe in Allah ne Nyamene Christopher that is the only thing I can ask for him at this point in time. Omo di omutibo fama omo kai funny face. Monso mo peja monsa mon kai funny. Monso mo gunsan so. Mugunsan mon kai ni am. Because monso mo ngushi na monso mo ni na mudidi a de mo ye bia no. On se ni pa adwin mu. Sometimes we feel the same by boy bibia say they are all bonya midin and how you be going to say open private unya adwin po fine and I say the clerk on now the two and now be kura now ka onye bi so ebia menya ka Roland and so unya the peace of mind no so you are praying it's all prayers and see also betimi adwin on that line the man said we see there it say mental torture muna yenu no na no enye easy the state of 50 by last week me share the videos ni bi na me share ne sam say baby abranti shey masa wan hwe ya ye eche na ye de na ye di na tebi kan de mbe ka masa eyi emu be 10 na wan hwe ye 10 emu bie no betimi survive
what is going to
I'm telling you it is not easy because some of us they are not incrophore feel say some people will go like oh na why ye bie ye na wa kan bi sana why ye say sana aburo so na den oh then maybe utimi ye hu say why ye edum pempen so be here because you are not in front of camera.
Yeah.
The spotlight is not on you like funny face.
Yeah.
Enti the ebema funny face asa tiemu ebia o tiemu the ebema no tiemu wo at that point we need our reason we need our situation we want to ase that so people should like rather say certain prayers and wish him well than to insult and make his case worse. No more omunjai sa ye twena abasa ne abasa say omo kan say no omu yes reni abasa na omu yes you are not helping the person as o manu akosa ate bia ne mo and found home compare funny face. Maybe I would to fear a one with bushia, and I also call through certain stress or maybe also life problems in the issue challenges be different. Change say obi the same life problem maybe I will come with obi come by in this on only case no come in with outside the family or say come in the public space you have not experienced that thing before, so the feeling can never be the same. So people should just take their time with him. Now say the neko normal command or drone and I'm one a pan na we can only wish him.
Okay, all right. With just a few I think say there is not much to say about this into Roland. Some few minutes we move on to Shatano in case because I don't know
matter of psyche there, bruh. No. Last time in your mood swings we on Miami check here. And you see the sad thing about we in the spotlight or we in this kind of environment is that you the ball cry said over it's not coming here 4 2 3 1 actually I know what feels. I was so by force. Yes.
But that's the nature of it.
No, the person watching you behind that TV quote and unquote do not care about
whatever you are going through.
No.
Lady and they say come and then do what you are supposed to do
mommy. That is it. That is the sad truth about this whole thing. Now me in this case I don't blame funny face in any way because at the end of it may happen to the people are mimi diom hoya
funny face nebusian.
Yes.
Okay.
Where are they? You see, when the matter got settled, that was when they came flying here and there, fighting over YouTube money. Now when they come and see it all to when they come and see it, so that when they didn't fire, now when they didn't fire. You see, it was very nonsensical. It was very nonsensical. Now that the person needs help, or saying relapse now. Where are they? Have they come out just the way of move out, maybe dear amount for them? Have they come out to even not to insult to even ask people for help? About the can say, oh, you be when you want mumba by baby agree the young to meet yes, mumba. About in Babeka.
Okay.
And they should be there when, excuse me to say, something else should happen. No one bets not radio so not TV so. Patapa in Patapa's voice, some bet your mother or air.
Yeah, that's it. Simple and short like that. I know they are all two blames on the family members of Funny Face. It's the young Chamo on the side of it. Chamo, do baby no so no obe post here say ono crab no so okuno ho ntino Ella and Bella. I had a dream, sang and me see a funny world. And so if I'm not there, I need you guys to help me do it for me. Na meja padia, I have 30 acres of land.
It's your other man's sister.
It's your other man's sister. What I say, you know.
Property documents.
Any idea?
And then they know Kana amount for this car, but not their quiet funny one. In this serious.
So, can be.
There be necessary documents, that man. Necessary.
As I understand about a piece of FM.
Okay, you tell submission.
Very much. Funny Face issue, no, is sad. Sad, but the area and say, and go for baby, and I say, Omun Jimmy, yes, I don't know. But yeah, getting close to such people.
The son's what, Papa?
Won't be done. He say, and said, I near Mama. And getting close to such people, you know. Yes, young one day and so kakra. It be no more. In fact, say, oh man, you're like in Rubu, I so will take you for the rest of your life. Because a binum body no intimate produce certain hormones. It me mats are name of easy. And you know, so body need to produce artificially no as a supplemented with drugs. And one thing common among them, say, why you close to be a or baffle for na say moka say onu maduru na obenu obenuma ba on say onu madru sa na edu be bi na
no but me twa ho ade
won say be twa no edru ye ma wedru ye prescribe edru ma say no no ebedru be no feel say okay you are fully okay krana e to be out me je do this eto nchen I don't know say ye was e be
and we no grandma the other sad part of it is that obetumi do asan akwaje mpaibo na so far ka chen say ohun ato nte edro no kra ja no me ye free ho wan ni na asi eno na man ne ye very dangerous and no we no enka de boa pan say enka tembia obi won nchen o monitor no a oni ni din komo na o krokro no na edro no ya no mu wan ase oni na o koso na eno but sadly ohwe ni videos a oye no hwan ya obi ani ni nche ono kwa neti
okay chemo oka obi a behwe se ye denti a emma ne kosati biwe no don't you think say ege ne mba ella and bella na omu ni nche ni so ka obi no
there why no cry no is me cry no I will not advise o modern cry no be ban nche because o modern cry no ban nche na unfortunate thing happen na cry no cry bit me afa ho say bi ewu obetimi aye bibi atia nkra na later na obehu se hwe video ya obeye ya odidi mpanimfo bi atemni ade obubisa ho se wode dwene ho fa ne se wo na adwene mo pese odwene ma no edi ntina obema na didi o mate e na wasan ma reason se okwa ho kire mu o ma wo obi aboa o san after the over determined time a wa amwa wu enye se o ka se o ma amwa no kra no minim aba ko bi se Father Dixon no se o friend no e na wa on follow no eno anu no
se o friend o kunya accident
o friend no o friend no kra no ate wa nka bibi papa bi a nchire no zuo nwenti no la adwene sa ade ho na hwe se obi a normal person a no be your friend for a long time or no admit say nipa na one wa konu say nyina mu e be sorry one day say me friend wo ka say menya accident no wa mo me di ene me di do atam e di na tem nyina e be said okay it's not normal you can't just say oh I said that hypertension akosi say obi a ono akasa say na adwene mu da ho a onim say on ne man aduane di to some extent one na ye adwuma a producing the show okwa o maniska e ma ne dey to akoye another show sa ne cow and chicken name ka so atotro no wa nyina papa ya boa engine wo so wa frɛ no when timi amfa na do fire ka say oh okay funny one send do ska so wa den a wo di be di na time de say do ye no oka adebayo de hwe adebayo ama no any cast ni no de ama no just still hwe do ye na wo ka say oh we bia ye ne man ntina ye man ntina be kwa oh you will be deceiving yourself the guy is sick and he needs help help by be ban say me anka I wish say obi be onu obi be tena onu obi tena say any family member say ye hwan no say obi kra ombetu anika okoba bi odi nechi o monitor no ne ade because oye ne ma bi ma hu say e ba o omo ya wa wo ben no say oba
meja kurukuru meja dabudabu meja kraman meja kokko
oba fofra o de say o bia wa ye wo ko we mu nyina o say oba fofra unhu ni social media no oye active krana unhu ni say oye ne ma bi sa on sisa basa no ye ga say mensa o ba ya hwe asana o sane ne de oye wom na one nam ne oye sa pe ezo mu say the guys getting to somewhere and Jesus will be getting close by unfortunately onon kwa akra na ti
ba asane de aboa no
onon kwa na ti unhu say asane de ti nana the whole thing is say de no we no e ba and you say bia we so insane say onye you ba oye hyper ade bia happen so ye bi e na oye nso so a oye mane broso and you say onye bi kra o enti no obetimi asa no ba na asa na osa no e na broso
but so obi won in China so it is the person that is going to measure and determine
them say no they say bia okay and me I can bet say edruna owo ye prescribe man na onum weja num
so ono ankasa kan
na chemu omo market le serie ne nante ne na
I know they say no hospital
so what my question is ye na oyo okay na so na was say afraid no. So for some this short period because enche you omu enche for that short period nti ntimi ma obi visiting wo fie ni so but he could have gotten that support and assistance
in one of the videos no kasa ono kasa podcast by this time 7 abokra was 7 go fa medu me we fi mamfa
and you know any dey me hu ya na me say me hear the video one to and am say akoy we dey do and you know me I think they say they be boa no pa say obenya on say abrofo no ma ye even ye wo artificial o ma ye you know sa o container na edro ni guma and no cry so o it me remind you say it's time to take your drug it's time to take your drug
hey can thank you
o ma ye niema just on and ye ha bi ni ha no e say onya obi a ono be hwe say o be ye onye cry now as a for so as a crop say the be a o be no for your own safety it mesre na bushan for no say omo mani nko sa ade no say na omo like a kokra na say enye say owo wife ne wife be bo ne wife ni ho e say oni obi tena at least for some time but onu kwa tena pe obi jai droninum at some point and it will come again.
All right, nice submission from Chamo, Nana Reagan, and our face Roland. You will move on to your final topic for today. Now, and Ned, some time ago, Nana Romeo run well, and a Sophobi, and commodity in competition radio. So now, Sophono, a prophesy, say, yeah, dance all Jenanimono. There is one artist, your friend Charles. Now, this Charles, 18th of October. Also obenya gunshot anase ebia ye bebolu tuo anase obewu te say like legend be Lucky Dube na bomadi Lucky Dube obey te say Lucky Dube sa pepe na ye nhwe system ni mo na endra anase time e wo mu na do 18 for no so no na abrantie ye friend Charles ni ama mensa ono anim say friend Shatawale ono ne friend Charles ono so je na dance on mu no ye be nya ntie social media ne nambe bia ema nanado na Facebook so no Ras Depoti na che se wotimu say Facebook comment na baba bebre no we nanado na asem kan say thanks to all those calling to check up on the king check up the king is still at the emergency ward receiving treatment the gunmen are still on the run thanks to Ghana police yo. Okay, where is the same Nanadope now? Say, please, those circulating the video should kindly stop it. I believe the king is gonna come out alive and okay. Keep him in your prayers. They can never bring a good man down. Shatawale is stronger than this, so let's be strong for him. We Nanadope. And I will see Idris Yusuf Ras Depoti or say sad night. Okay, Yatwaswa. Now, the same Ras Depoti now say, so this rain was a sign. Which sign? Okay, yeah, it was one commodity. I say, I'm not joking, oh, yo, yeah, say, on one subium, Ras Depoti now say, right in front of me at the East Legon, you did this to Shatawale. Oh my God. Okay, the same now say, I'm not putting up any video, but, Okay, wait. I say breaking news. So true. The pastor make them shoot Shatawale. You see, these are the things that Endra Nana say timer a buy and circulate on social media platforms. Now me try and say shatter edini the baba to board. Shatter also the biaba. I don't know say director who will be one man. And now face police, Ghana police. Okay, where's your shatter there no? Or say psychological or emotional trauma is damage or injury to the psyche after living through an extremely frightening or distressing event and may result in challenges for functioning or coping normally after the event. The statement made by this false prophet has gotten me in a mood of violence since no one in this country cares. So the police of this country want to tell me none of them saw those threatening statements online to take actions. This pastor said 18th October Shatawale will be shot, and you want to tell me you didn't see from you cybercrime department, nor did you hear or came across anything like that online. This is coming from Shatawale. Obi I say why Or say, I want to wait for Ghana police to call my father and tell my father his son got shot this afternoon. I want to wait for Ghana stupid media houses to spread news to my fans about being shot, because all we wish in this country is for dead people and then funerals. If my life can be threatened and there is no law to take actions on that, then I guess I will do what's right in the eyes of God. This is not the first time I have had these threats in this country, and I'm going this emotional trauma alone. My dad has even defend me on radio on these same issues. Why Ghana? Why? Yes, my life is in danger and I'm on the run till this country shows me there are laws. Deportee, I'm sorry for taking your phone. Sorry for taking your phone. To my fans, I'm sorry, but I will fight this fight alone and then get it done. Wait, shut up, ni post. And now face no. You and the Ghana police almost somebody ever told him. Ghana police. I said the attention of the police has been drawn to the widely circulated news on the alleged gunshot attack on one Charles Nyema Mensah, popularly known as Shatta Wale. On hearing the news, the police have launched an investigation into the matter, including making contact with some of his close friends and families, and all of them claim not to have knowledge of his whereabouts or alleged incidents. A team has visited the house of Shatta Wale and he cannot be found there. Okay, over the last few hours, the police have searched and continue to look for Shatta Wale at hospitals in Accra. Whilst we continue our investigation, the police is appealing to the public to provide any information concerning the whereabouts of Shatta Wale to the numbers 1855-191 and then 030 blah blah blah. Okay, so to my fans, I'm sorry, but I will have to fight this fight alone and get it done. To my dad, I say sorry for putting you through stress. Pastors always say things and later plan evil to it. So that's me, and you will believe they are powerful men of God. Enough is enough. The youth of these countries, I was also afraid the youth. Okay, the youth of these countries are tired of religiousness. We know God already, and that is that. If this will make me stop music like how many want me to stop, then so be it, because I'm tired of the negativity in this country. Son of God, one Don, aka Shatta Wale. Okay, Chamo.
Yeah, very much.
Friends of Shatta. Mashada pa na metwamo. Dear Kosi, could it be said a public stunt? Could it be said dear pastor Nekai, no? And now Mashada try to fabricate stories around it and accident.
Oh yeah, it's obvious. I know they are obvious. Say, over statements now by him. Yeah, body to now details behind him near that. Emma who said, "Oh my gimmick, being East Legon. I mean, East Legon. East Legon. On that make a police for this statement in the baby, and I'm here worded in this almost all my search hospitals, but all my hospital back credit. If you are called 37, you call Kolibu, you call Rich, the whole in I was not detailed. And the crowd, that detail,
and Nebanisa too many because that's not just one hospital in Accra here.
Yes, by significant. Major hospitals, be deemed you say Wako. And they say, Obi person verify say I'm Okowa. Nay, you say Okowa now one. And this lack of details be important. Emma almost statements be mono. Emma, story no nay be okaka. Me story we no cranny. Me who ya man funny serious. Because Oma it is a back you can say I was there now why but I will
but
I will release any video. Come on. Ekromua in 21st century. Adies now we know what they were to video.
This is the same person about because stop spreading the videos.
Say well like I make her say wow unim said yeah make her be okay be me media guy nintina me hu ni sa but wow bet me read between the lines in nyina no right from the onset no obe hu say agro bi no mudi na ze say dia akoba ne say agro no ya agopa na say enya agopa na ho ne edu say o makodi agobone a ye say ebia abro so me de baby ana eye me bibi kakra say police for no na as a omo pre omo zombe investigation do e wa bra obi am report de bia ma o but enche na mati say nkofu bia ko report say enema see no omo pese investigate and I think that a better right and it's in order for police to investigate it because Shatawale nye mere person bi onenam ha na yakase bia bibi to na eni say my adwene koso nti obi akọ report ni de me ne police for be adwene say on be investigate based on the report na abano but yenim say gimmick in fact police for no crane him say gimmick at the current America say police for no crane him say gimmick say omo initial response na omo ye no say omo tie no omo ko hwehwe no ni fi omo ehu no omo ko hospitals bia omo amobodi nso omo ehu no nti so omo ko so omo anko akwa intimi
no so can so omo ko hospital and necessarily say bia omo to anama say na just phone call and a police force your securities be on okay obeto one say general public hospitals are Accra has no so Musa Shatawale wo honoma just ring this number
no general public na be say man police for bit me afre hospital be e Ghana ha bia ama ya je omo so omo ni mo number omo contact ho nti so omo ka omo ko hospital anya say me ka say physically omo ntuka no omo de nanam hospital say
no I understand that
nti so omo ka say omo ko hospital no omo ka say bia ye frere Kolebu medical head or say oni ho ye frere bia rate medical head or so oni ho nti no base of bia initial and I say investigation ya immediately after hearing this news you know ye Shatawale and I say ye ntimi conclude say dey aba out no no kra na nya no bia investigation be continue I mean fair say o mo baby and ntini obi they say na obi aba be report no me did say nipa for no or the details be more or more reporting and don't be where to even start investigations.
Okay, and ASEPA, Alliance for Social Equity and Public Accountability. ASEPA. And then it say tiku fast. No day we let a Yakoma police for now what say details near the idea woman train say.
I think that no say investigation ever started from ja letter na you know just police for it I think IGP or by also a proactive in the master starting in that cry and sakra na we bantino ye be fa ne sa hopefully ebe ko said the ese ko no I mean omo be serve justice enko ye say e bia ye nipa bi ntino ye handle ni say by ye hu say ye we ya ye nye ni say ye nim say ampa e wi say ye wono ye nyina ye nyepe de ya ye treat bi ye change based on how your hierarchy social norms and social status be a wo I think ye nyepe but ye hope ni say ye be try say ye be man ye I mean fair enough for obi a wo society nim and indeed yes sra me at this point there me nya hu say obi aye official report no I was happy because I know na lucky mommy from the initial buy no say police for onyati anazo mu story bi o social media no be dey kira ene anka yezenga stories be bi ho mo dey kira ye hu hwe by ye Saturday de o mu dey kira ntam ene dey o mu dey kira no na o mu nim say ye fake
okay
me be say me establish the point say the police knew say ye fake but still I almost be investigating and you know motive be na omodi pushes hard
okay
based on the information there by any or my initial you know me but on my reported that say ebia okay baby I investigated require any sure and the extra
okay all right
so at this point we wish to say they will do the right thing
okay
and I don't know say you say time ko be into kaka say bank am be say me touch on the software no etikumu ha omo ye no
okay
omo ko se say ka so bi ko se fear and panic I think say software no yendimi nyomu fi ade we nye shatan kwa no mo there in fact shatan kwa this is not the first time on there software bi be ka say obewu ama ono kwa threaten so for ni say obekwa akɔhye na church no no kwa the police for no am friend ye hu de no kwiti ye and at this time around we buy and they want threaten obi aba or try so be gimmick bi am yam say asofo ni so ha no enema we ya wa ye no say o ko deeper ono so slow for the life it is said there why statement are all can or yeah I think that the strategy is to do this to highlight say they are suffering and almost how
okay
and then we take this action when the mess say as of on the mean for among court to say omo cancer them because oko campaign obeka say
freedom of
nyankopon na ya chere no na nyankopon si ni kwan bia ye be fa so a ye be ye be verify say nyankopon ade na so fu nkwan na ka chere no on kan chere ye bi enti no mesra omo ntu asofo ne police for no especially yeah say ka to na ka ba omo ntu omo fo say sa ansem no ye sra wo omo family ni na public no na emwa.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that's a part. Maybe say Nana Reagan this real quick. Would you say Shatta agenda will push you to just withdraw the statement and our prophecies be as of now will make you outside there?
Even if that is what he wants to achieve, I don't think it's the right thing to do.
Okay.
He's wrong in every sense, and I'm very highly disappointed. Say a brand like Shatta Wale will like go down low to say or person addressing an issue of such kind of saying magnitude. Then you want to create fear and panic amongst the public. Answer na buying penny for na police for betting me who consensus. Answer number 2 1 among like it doesn't make sense.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, I get it.
I think say if Shatta Wale said or no person ye di bia ye o mere bi etwemuda ebiasa to so bi if you really find it a big deal, which of course it is, and I agree say it's a big. In fact, some of us have sat on platforms to condemn some of these prophecies. So if we dey ba me try can straight away and the Shatta should just be watchful because some of these people no obetimi aka some no on the sirimu dey ahenya me we no abetu ana mo say dey be public in the Beijing dey aka so software dey na no yeshi o finyame o if he say you understand can be more. So he should just be careful where he sits, where he goes and other things like that. But for him to say a person own use to sell vein fan I think it's just a damage control. He didn't know the consequences of adena o ye no maybe a baby e betimi akoha imra so ni mu a imra betimi ni na edi wan dwen oni ni tim ni na deporting ni na dope ni wana mu na omo wa around Shatta Wale ni na they've been I don't want to use certain words. Honestly, I'm trying to choose my words carefully because I'm so emotional about this. Like to see this thing come from the quarters of Shatta Wale. Like when obi kasana or your comparison or patapa they na patapa both no. You expect some of these things should be to be coming from Nkrofobima ni hope like they are not established omo 9G form of industry anymore to be making some of these errors and I say mistakes in the name of stunts or gimmicks for trends. Na ebi akakoto me say na ebi akopacha okrapa won so they are ignorant about some of these things. So but not from the camps of Shatta Wale. It is so disappointing and me I highly condemn this thing. If no crese a stance na and omo create fake we publish omo pay attention but omo create anything fake omo person omo jump taking advantage of
there's no question about it.
Okay, thank you very much. So I want to say emphatically say sebi nsem you understand? So because who jina dey suffer no akaso anya wudenti to create some of these things. Charlie, we all know the followers of Shatta Wale in certain areas. And they be almost far moto na prom East Legon if na prom na e be him how I even sometimes doing Salah celebrations because some of our Muslim friends ride motorbikes on our streets and they be a shaman for Nima for na ko East Legon na prom na moto ni be say 5 crack konya accident na mu ya what excuse are you going to give for this?
Okay.
Then I'll call.
All right.
So me, the police for no more and the statements from the alliance for what's the everyone saying? ASEP. And whatever the law says, and I said punishment be all for Shatawale, especially in the team, especially. And I was so disappointed as of 10 or 9 na dope me deportivo so na mo de so na mo pussy in say munu ne sa nyama like we shouldn't be entertaining some of these things.
All right, thank you very much, Nana Reagan. Roland, it was
a few time I am mama.
Yes, that was it. Also so there Yenche Shatta deportee Nana dope and why you holding responsible for this whole fraud.
Oh, yes, so when from Shatawale to deportee to Nana dope to the pastor. In fact, you see. Yeah, say once in our earlier submission, Reagan can send me to say I catch us with table so if you never paper table so I farm to Mangua and also if you never paper so you achieve. You see, you are not achieving anything, and for a brand like Shatawale, in fact, I am one of the people who is very, very disappointed. Anyhow, for him to rob himself in such mad. You see, it is high time whether what everybody knows, it is established that whatever he did was stand, okay? And however the law interprets the punishment given to such instances, no, let's it take its course. But I am more concerned about statements releasing first, calling the media stupid. That is where my beef with Shatawale is.
Okay.
In fact, it is high time we educate some of these public figures. Say, omu create profile on social media. No much public figure. They should understand the meaning of public figure before they write it. If they think, say, if he's saying the media is waiting for him to die so that we report, yes, we are waiting. Yes, we are waiting. When Shatawale becomes the new coach of Ghana Blasters, we will write it. If Shatawale receives Grammy, we will write it. If he buys the new Range Rover, Ogoto Rosso is a report it. Yes, I don't know what Rosso is in Susu. Didn't we report it? We did. Shatawale Castle will release chaff of the GOG album. Didn't we report it? If God forbid Shatawale falls right now and the media report it, is he going to be the first public figure? What of my reporting?
I said no celebration of life.
You see, you don't the media serves as a watchdog. You don't buy a dog, put the dog in your house. Now conform Malfi. Come any po now one can report to a police station. No chna conforming by you no be bibia. You come and blame the dog. What are you blaming the dog for? Who blaming Karan so ahead? Karan police. When did the media become a police? The bank and the media need a police. Whatever you are creating is what we are just middlemen between the general public, between your fans and you. You said you have been shot. According to the statement that you want to buy. What's the one now? GG or move phones, deport name, Nana dope move phones now try. That is according to the statement you wrote. Yeah. So you were telling the media to tell your fans that you have been shot and you are at emergency ward, and that is exactly what we did. So you don't come and call the media stupid here. If you have anything to say to people somewhere no be you so only so man conform more around no all this idea they buy want to me for say there are more your friend say nyansa where obetimi afa so there e dey solve this issue. In fact, if we are looking for somebody, if me say me can say o me pay the new IGP who is here, na Shatawale can say no so pay new IGP who is here. In fact, Shatawale will see the IGP first. Weeks before me, I will see the IGP. Why? Because in the society we have levels. We have levels, and he baby original in the society. No, he is more prominent than some of us. It is a Okase Shatawale Kase Obi issue threat for so. And in fact, when this thing started, the media propagated, the media blew this, trended this for you Shatawale to see, and you took it out of context.
My say time the media was condemning this pastor or prophet or whatever he calls himself. Shatawale was making joke out.
He was making joke. Anything make sense. Say now conform how do you blame the dog? You understand?
Okay.
It is say up per se young funny serious. It is about time. Maybe he is not seeing himself as a brand. see the way some of us are seeing Shatawale, he is seeing himself as an ordinary human being, whereby he can do anything. But the person say the moment I watch us our public figure, no, your friend is sending portfolio in social media pages, and in the documents, he should know that we don't see him as a human being again. We see him as a brand. And there are some things that he cannot do as a brand. So, Tiasia, the brand name, I say.
That be shot at the one yard.
Okay.
But you bet na hand more cast you nim the be say na the potty doka kwata.
All right. Me that's Nana Reagan or your Beef Nation president and Roland Ni Amate or also so event guard or something.
My time living count.
In fact, this very topic you better part 2 of it. So you just relax. Yam watch now. You better start with this topic ni here. No, just relax. It's only man show. All right, then now can see you remember viewer Tembia onya with from Sam Flex TV to King Tom TV Yankopon show Tembia na yabo afo Tembia mo boy Richie the Finest boy Flex being our director, currently the guitar Rasta on the guitar cameras no. Overall producer Nana ya Ofori Lapiji and our friend Sutina Baby for making us look this beautiful. Gideon Ni Lamtesen. Bidi RMC Berima o abonti honoma Yankopon on show. Because when Shirawa ebeye me ya September onya wotre edehwen. Be good, be blessed. We are out.